Welcome to M.A.W's today's tip. In a pinch, if your detail rag is saturated because you decided to use it to wipe up the ledge, here's what you can do to get that drip. If you don't have a one-pass tool, you can easily make a correction like that. Just take it and start digging from the bottom of the decal, or you can take your finger, you can take your detail finger, whichever one that may be, and you can use your finger like a rag. All right, that's what I normally do. But you have to have a clean finger, which means you can't have any oils from your skin on it, because then you're just smudging it and you're defeating the purpose. So one way, if you're okay with it, your finger is going to be dry. So you want to lick the part that you'll be touching the window, then wipe it on your shirt. All right? Then you want to start not downward. You want to start from where, you want to start from where the leak is. So we see it's down here, right? All right, so you want to start from the bottom up. Once your finger is wet, do not try to get it all in one shot. Wipe it on your shirt. Start from the bottom again. Do a little bit at a time. I guarantee you, if you listen to what I'm saying, this is an old school trick. Not even many pros or vets know about this trick. I have never seen a tip like this. Just take it each time, wipe it on your shirt, wipe it on your shirt. This is a repeat of this little tip. But a lot of people either didn't understand it or they missed it, and that was a few years ago. All right? All right, so here's another one, right? All right, take your finger, wipe. All right, I got some moisture on my finger. Wipe it on your shirt. Take that, wipe it on your shirt. And there is no smudge prints. So you can take your microfiber finger and you can detail with that. Remember that little tip. Here's another example. Oops. As I had the mop squeegee on the pole, I guess I must have slung a drip. Watch this. You see? It's gone. My microfiber finger never fails me. This will never collect lint. And no, I'm not giving you the middle finger either.